I'll show you how to fix your Ford F150's Bluetooth in minutes, no tech skills needed. Don't rush to the dealership just yet. Let's get your music and calls back on the road. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and that your F150 is in park. Now tap Settings on your truck's touchscreen, then select Bluetooth and check if your phone is listed. No luck? Try deleting your phone from the list, then pair it again. On your phone, forget the truck in your Bluetooth settings too. Now restart both your phone and your truck. Still not working? Check for software updates. On your F150 screen, go to Settings, then System Updates. For your phone, update to the latest software version. If your Bluetooth connects but there's no sound, make sure your audio source is set to Bluetooth on the truck and your phone's volume is up. One last tip: too many paired devices can cause issues. Remove any old phones you don't use. If you've tried all this and it's still not working, a quick reset of your truck's infotainment system can help. Check your manual for the exact steps. That's it. Quick, simple fixes to get your Ford F150's Bluetooth working again. Safe driving and enjoy the ride.